Hello everyone, welcome to Arduino and My Robot. So this is chapter 7. We'll learn about some basic tools that we'll be using. So here we have these are the tools that we'll be using for making our robots. So these two are like cutters. This is like for holding different components, and these are screwdrivers, and this is soldering component, and this is voltmeter. So so we have needle nose pliers, wire strippers are these are to remove the wire. Okay, so the plastic part from a wire. Then we have precision screwdriver set. Then we have flush cutters, fine tip straight tweezers. These are tweezers, or chimti in Hindi we call it. This is also the same. And then this is multimeter used for checking the current and voltage, basically the voltage in electronic components. And this is soldering iron. Okay, this is used for making soldering or connecting components on the PCB boards. Thank you.